Today, I'm going to show you how Vesper cost models can be used to analyze the impact of import tariffs or other costs and understand how global competitiveness is changing. This can be done in a few easy steps. And for today's example, let's use tariffs between the US and China. We know that China at this moment has created a retaliatory tariff to the US of 125%. What if we look at WPC 80 US to China and we select unit size 1 metric ton? We'll look at the price in euros, and then we're going to add a product and we're going to select WPC 80 from here. And we can select any Vesper benchmark that you know. We'll select the US price, and instead of adding the normal non-ingredient costs like energy costs, labor costs, overhead costs, or profit margin, I'll just take all of these out. I will add a custom field being import tariffs. In this case, we know that is up to triple-digit figures now, and we'll add 125% to this. And here, of course, we will add 100%, leading to 100% of your ingredient cost. Adding an import tariff, you can add more fields if you want. If you want to add maybe a transport cost or whatever other cost margin you want to add, and then you save it, and you can very easily see how the price changes over time. And then if we were to create another one where we look at the competitive product being WPC 80 EU to China, we will select 1 metric ton once again, and this time we select WPC 80. We will select the European price, add a cost share of 100%, and then we will add the import tariffs onto here as well. And for instance, what if we add a 25% import tariff to here, and then we save it, and then we can very easily go back and forth between the two models we just discussed. So we can see the price here, but also if we go back to the model we just created, we can very easily compare how prices compete. If you want to know the latest import tariffs, you just go into help and support, you select import duties, and then you scroll down, and you can very easily find updated import duties for a lot of countries and regions globally.